They built a 5-star hotel in the jungle and nobody talks about it. I'm not even sure I should be telling you this, but 45 minutes from Kuala Lumpur, there's something extraordinary hidden in the rainforest canopy. Tiarasa Escapes isn't your typical resort. We're talking safari-style tents and actual tree houses, but with marble bathrooms and champagne service. And children run free while parents actually relax. The food is exceptional. The staff treat you like family. It's won awards for Best Luxury Glamping Experience, but somehow it remains this incredible secret. By evening, the whole place glows like something from a dream. Families gathering around bonfires, couples on their balconies watching fireflies dance through the canopy. Tiarasa Escapes, for those who live differently.